Are you ready for a showdown between tech giants? It's Microsoft vs Google. The battle for SEO supremacy and AI dominance. Who will come out on top? In the world of search engine optimization and artificial intelligence, two major players have emerged: Microsoft and Google. Both companies are constantly innovating to be ahead in this competitive field. But who is winning? In today's video, we'll explore the insurgence of their rivalry and see who is coming out on top. Microsoft and Google have been in a search engine optimization battle for years. Microsoft and Google have been in a battle for search engine optimization supremacy for years. At first, Microsoft was the undisputed leader in search engine optimization. But as Google rapidly emerged on the scene, it quickly became the world's leading search engine. For years now, Microsoft and Google have been locked in an ongoing struggle to stay ahead of each other. At its core, search engine optimization is all about helping websites rank higher in organic search results for certain keywords. The goal is to get your website seen by more people who are searching online for relevant topics or products. To increase a website's ranking in organic search results, companies must understand how search engines crawl and index web pages, as well as use techniques such as keyword research and link building. Microsoft has long been known for its powerful Bing-based tools that help make SEO easier than ever before. Microsoft's suite of SEO tools includes features such as keyword research and analysis, link building, website auditing, competitor tracking, and more. Additionally, Bing Ads provides a great way to reach potential customers who may be searching for specific products or services. Google too offers helpful tools which allow companies to track their SEO performance over time by analyzing website traffic data from both desktop and mobile devices. With this information, businesses can identify areas where their SEO efforts are falling short so that they can take corrective action and improve their rankings. Google has also jumped into the artificial intelligence space with its own AI-powered offerings such as RankBrain, a machine learning algorithm that helps determine SERP rankings based on user queries. Google Assistant, an intelligent assistant that provides users with personalized information. And TensorFlow, an open-source library used to develop deep learning algorithms. The competition between Microsoft and Google is heating up as each company seeks to gain market share in this increasingly saturated space. And while it is difficult to say exactly who is winning at this point, both companies have put forward strong strategies aimed at helping them become the dominant player in SEO and AI technologies. It will be interesting to see how this rivalry plays out over time. With the insurgence of AI, both companies are looking to dominate the field. The competition between Microsoft and Google in the realm of search engine optimization and artificial intelligence has been fierce for years. With its powerful Bing search engine, Microsoft is always looking to gain an edge over Google's ubiquitous presence on the web. On the other hand, Google's deep learning algorithms make it difficult for a rival platform to compete in terms of accuracy and speed when it comes to providing relevant search results. Google's AI, first released in 2012 with the launch of Google Now, has been successful at providing personalized information directly to users based on their current context and location. Microsoft responded in 2014 with Cortana, its own AI-powered personal assistant that competes with Google Now and Apple's Siri. Cortana can answer questions, provide reminders, relay weather updates or sports scores, set alarms, and more, all powered by deep learning algorithms that are constantly improving as users interact with them more frequently. In addition to powering voice-based assistants, both companies have employed AI-driven technology for their respective search engines, allowing them to understand user queries better and deliver increasingly relevant results quickly and accurately. Microsoft's Bing uses machine learning techniques such as natural language processing to parse user queries into meaningful information that can be used when generating results. Similarly, Google employs neural networks using deep learning technology within its search engine algorithm, which is capable of understanding complicated queries from users so it can deliver accurate results in a fraction of a second. As technology advances further and computing power becomes ever more affordable, the competition between Microsoft and Google only grows, as both strive to provide better SEO services through their respective AI-driven offerings while continually improving upon what they already offer today. It remains unclear who will ultimately win this battle between two powerful tech giants. Still, one thing is certain: consumers will benefit from improved products regardless of who comes out victorious in the end. Microsoft has made some huge advancements with its Bing search engine. Microsoft's Bing search engine has long been a major player in the search engine optimization landscape. However, with the emergence of Google as a formidable competitor, Microsoft's Bing has had to up its game and innovate in order to remain competitive. To do this, Microsoft has incorporated artificial intelligence into its search engine algorithms. Bing's AI-driven SEO capabilities are designed to provide users with more relevant and personalized results based on their search queries. By leveraging machine learning and natural language processing, Bing is able to better understand user intent when searching for information about a particular topic. This helps them to serve up more accurate and pertinent results that match a user's precise needs. In addition, Bing's AI capabilities allow it to analyze web pages for factors such as link quality, content relevance, and technical performance, which can help improve search rankings. Through this system, Bing can accurately determine which web pages should be displayed first when users conduct searches related to specific topics or keywords through the platform. To further enhance its offering and outstanding customer service experience, Microsoft also leverages AI-driven chatbots through the Windows Virtual Assistant platform, which allows users to ask questions and get answers quickly without having to wait for customer support staff. The WVA platform applies natural language processing algorithms that enable automated responses that are tailored toward each individual user based on their unique needs or preferences. Additionally, if the virtual assistant is unable to answer a query, it can be passed on to human agents who can assist customers further. Microsoft's integration of AI into its search engine optimization platforms has enabled it to effectively compete against Google by providing highly personalized results for users that are tailored toward their exact needs or queries. With these advancements, Microsoft hopes that it will remain competitive in the ever-evolving SEO landscape so that customers continue to choose Bing over Google for their online searches. Who is coming out on top? Bing, Microsoft's search engine, is taking the lead in artificial intelligence technology. Bing has recently developed an AI that is beating Google at its own game. Bing's new AI uses natural language processing to understand user queries more accurately. It can interpret complex questions and provide relevant answers quickly and efficiently. This makes searching with Bing much faster and easier than with other search engines like Google. The AI works by analyzing user queries and understanding their intent better than traditional search algorithms do. It then uses machine learning to identify patterns in the data that help it determine which results are most likely to be relevant to a particular query. This helps Bing deliver more accurate results faster than any other search engine on the market today. Using this new technology has many benefits for users, including quicker searches, more accurate results, and improved privacy protection since no personal information needs to be shared. The most important thing to note here is that Bing AI is still new and glitchy and has said many weird things to users who were chatting with it. Now imagine that it was Google that launched a glitchy AI that said weird things to its users. It just wouldn't work. Google is currently #1 in this space, and it can't risk anything when it comes to reliability and its image. Microsoft, however, can take risks and has used this to its advantage and is winning the AI search engine war against Google. Like and subscribe for more. And thank you for watching.